Alright, so I just came home, so I'm gonna show you the things I shopped today. Look at these. The moment I saw these, मुझे पता था ये मुझे चाहिए. Stunning brown color with this gold detailing. I got this beautiful dress from H&M. I picked this dress for myself. It's a maxi dress with the slits on the sides. Socks for Kiara. Last packet is from L'Occitane. If you know, you know. I love each and everything they sell in their store. और मुझे refill करना था. I only picked 2 things today. The packaging has changed. This is their shower gel. Rose shower gel. Even Kiara loves this a lot. The hand cream from L'Occitane. There could be no better cream than this one.